We all are in COVID period. Many of us lost our job. Many of us trying to find a best income source on online. If you are searching a best way to earn money on online without investment, this is a correct video for you. Hey guys, I'm Aravind from Mr. Aravind Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways to earn money in online without any investment. If you're new here, I am Aravind. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, let's get into the video. First way to earn money without investment, YouTube. YouTube is the best platform to the upcoming creators. So making video in YouTube is the best way to earn money. Like what I'm doing, we can't earn more money, but you want to wait. If you're creating and uploading the video consistently, means if when you get the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you will ready to get paid. You will ready to get monetized your channel. So I'm not get monetized till this date. Okay, second way, selling ebooks. If you have knowledge about something, you can create ebooks with any topic, general topic. If you take a topic called technology, means search a different perspective on different topics and different ideas about the technology in Google, and with using the knowledge that you searched in Google, create an ebook for you. Create a best ebook and you can sell the ebook on online. With there is a many ways to sell the ebook on online. If somebody interested on your topic, means they will buy your book and you will get some money. So if you want to know how to create an ebook and how to sell it, like always, comment below. I will make a video for that. Third thing, affiliate. If you not know about affiliate, means I will tell shortly about the affiliate. Affiliate means if I'm selling a product for $50, means if you came to me and take my product and make this product to sell with others, means I will pay some commission for you. That is called affiliate. Many websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Banggood, AliExpress, they are providing affiliate for you. If you sell their product, means you will get a standard commission for you. Fourth thing, service providing. Service providing means it's overall like YouTube. Like we are providing some service to others. Like service providing means you are providing some service to others, like creating a website or editing a picture or creating a postcard, pamphlets, visiting card, like that. You can use this method, service providing, to earn money. This is the best idea to earn money because we can earn money with what we know. Fifth and the final thing, creating a website. Create and running a website is the best way to earn money. I already made a video about how to earn money without investment using a website. Many of you think for creating a website we need coding language, we need some of investment, but in real time, no. We do not know anything. For creating a website, you need a system or a PC. You can create a free website and we can post the contents. I already made a video about how to create a free website. Watch that video after finishing this video. If you posted 10 or 20 contents, means the Google will automatically place ads to your website. If you place ads to your website, you will get paid. Watch this video to know more about it. Okay guys, that's about this video. I hope this video will be informative to you. Got questions? Ask them in comments. I will reply it for you. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you in another exciting video. Until then, I'm signing off from Mr. Aravind Tech.